This is a 1968 Honda CL450 Scrambler in mostly original shape. It has some patina, as they say, a little bit of rust here and there, couple dents and dings here and there, but overall pretty fantastic shape. This would be the original color, original shocks, obviously wheels, drum front and rear. It's a twin, same engine as the CB450. Little reflection here that looks like a dent, but it is not. Lights work. It's got the center stand, passenger pegs. The seat could use some new foam, looking kind of tired there, but otherwise it's in good shape. When I bought it, it was part of a package, and the CB450 I bought with it was pretty terrible, so I'm going to rip that apart and kind of just leave this as is for someone else to drive around. It's got a North Carolina title. These are not the original instrument clusters. It did not have those when I got it, so I sourced a couple on the eBay. It does need a new battery, but I'm going to just kind of kickstart it here and see what we get. Use a little warm up here, but as you can see, the neutral light works in case you're a new rider. And there it is, 1968 CL450. Obviously it has the high scrambler pipes that are sought after, in demand. The tank looks pretty good inside here. Not bad, not bad. Certainly seen worse. It does have ethanol-free fuel, and that's what's going to run in it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to list this online, but figured I'd show a video of starting it up. It does have a push-button start here, and I put a temporary battery in it that is not holding a charge very well. I do not have a new battery to throw in this at the moment, but AGM battery for this size bike shouldn't be more than 40 or 50 bucks delivered. The little bit extra here, that's what's in it currently, what I threw in there. I use that battery for testing. It's actually not for this bike. This one might need a few more cold cranking amps, but again, pretty clean example. I have driven it around, seems to ride nicely, and that's it. CL450 Scrambler, 1968, titled in North Carolina. Thanks for watching.